If you're a virtual assistant or remote worker in Nigeria, getting paid from abroad doesn't have to be stressful. I've gotten questions in my comments asking how do I get paid? What are the reliable platforms? I've tried multiple platforms, some smooth, some frustrating. And in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick rundown of some of these platforms that you can use to receive payment as a remote worker in Nigeria and which might be best for you. Hey guys, welcome to Virtual Pro, a community of remote professionals interested in growth, professionalism, and excellence. In this video, we're talking about money, receiving money, because part of what we do this remote work for is to get paid. So let's not pretend about it. One of the biggest challenges we face as Nigerian remote workers is actually getting our money. Between high bank rates, long transfer times, and just some weird restrictions, it can be tricky. I've gotten emails from companies saying they can't hire me. They won't even let me through the interview process because they have issues making payments to my region. In this video, I'm just going to share platforms that I've used that have made receiving payment for me hassle-free and easy. So let's start with Lemfi. Setting up an account here can take lots of verifications and quite a bit of documentation. I remember one client of mine got so frustrated in the process of registering for Lemfi, and I think they blocked her account. She was trying to get it back, and they were just asking for so many informations. And she said, "You know what? I don't need to do this." But once your account is verified and approved on Lemfi, it's pretty straightforward. It's just like a smooth sailing. I've received several transfers from there. Their transfers are quick, their rates are good, better than some of the competition, and the app is pretty easy to use. So the pros of using Lemfi is quick transfer from supported countries, competitive exchange rates, and a user-friendly app. The cons, the verification and setup process can be tedious, which I understand why. The second thing is that there are limited countries where senders can send from, but it's best for small to medium payments for clients abroad that already use Lemfi. It's just quick. You get your money in that instance. The second platform I've used is Payoneer. Payoneer is a classic for freelancers, remote workers in Nigeria or wherever in the world. With Payoneer, you have access to multiple currency accounts like USD, Euro, and GDP. And if you receive money into these three accounts, you get the opportunity to add other currency accounts in your Payoneer profile. But here's the catch. They only accept payments from business accounts. So if your clients use their personal accounts to send money to you, guess what they do? They send it back. So they only accept from business. So if you have a Payoneer account and you send it to somebody, make sure that whatever account they are sending from is a legal and verified business account. So they don't do shady personal account stuff. I know this because my money has been sent back before. The pros of using Payoneer, it works with major freelance platforms. It gives you access to multiple currency accounts, USD, Euro, GDP. And three, you can withdraw directly to your Nigerian bank account, whether it's a Naira account or a domiciliary account. You can transfer from these accounts that you have to your account. The cons of using Payoneer, number one, it rejects personal accounts. So if you're working with somebody that doesn't have a business properly set up or a company account, this might not be the best platform for you to use. It takes a while to set up, and then there's just also a bit of fees, which if you're a remote worker working remotely, you can forgo some of that. Payoneer is best for regular clients and platform-based kind of work, business clients and stuff. The third method for receiving your money is direct bank transfers. This can happen from most places in the world. You can just use your app there to transfer here, or your internet banking method to transfer directly to a Nigerian Naira account or even a domiciliary account. And you can do this via Swift. You just need your Swift code, your country code. There are different codes that you need to give to your client. If you're sending your invoice, it's important you include all these codes, your bank code, country code, and stuff like that. There are several details that you can get from your bank and send it to your clients, and you get your money directly into your account, the Naira equivalent. If you're sending a Naira account, it's quite straightforward to be honest, but the exchange rates are not the best. The pros of this method, it goes directly into your bank account. No drama, nothing. No middleman platforms involved. It's very good for large transactions. You just know nothing is being deducted. It comes directly to your account. The cons, you have some ridiculous bank charges. Sometimes you just stay and see that they are taking money for transfer, something like that. And sometimes from the money that is being sent, you don't get the equivalent in Naira. You get some charges and they are charged in the other currency. So let's say it's in dollar and you're sending it directly it to you. They might remove like something like $15, $10. It all depends on the money. The second con is it takes long processing time. So unlike LemFi that you can get your money instantly as the person is sending it, they're receiving the alert. This one takes from 3 to 7 working days. You can stay up to a week before you get your money, working days before you get your money in your account. So if your client is somebody that moves on quickly, it will be better for them to use another platform. Or if you're somebody that wants to see your money now, no, 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 don't use this method. It's best for high value payments from trusted clients. The fourth one is the Visa card. Some Nigerian banks provide you with a dollar prepaid Visa card or a dollar Visa card. This is best if you're somebody that likes online shopping and you don't want to have to convert your naira to USD or to pounds or to euro. You just want to pay in their currency, you can use the Visa card. And that way too, you can also get paid via your Visa card. The money comes into either your domiciliary account or your Visa card account. Your bank will explain that better. It's quite similar to the direct bank transfer. You send some details from your bank and from your card to get it to the particular account that you want. The pros of using this is if you shop online, it's easy for international and online shopping. Number two, it holds your money in USD. Number three, you avoid currency loss. If you're spending in USD, you don't convert your naira all the way to USD and all that back and forth. For the cons, it usually comes with an annual maintenance fee. Again, they be removing your money. It's not ideal for withdrawing cash locally because you might have to transfer from your Visa card to another account before you are able to withdraw it locally. And the third one is some clients might not just be familiar with sending to prepaid cards. Now, these are the platforms that I've used and they've worked for me. In terms of preference, I'll go with LemFi if I want Naira, and I will go with the Visa card option if I want to keep my money in USD or other currencies. Aside these platforms that I've used, there are some other platforms that people have talked about and they're quite good. So I'm just going to be mentioning two of those platforms. The first one is Gray. Gray gives you foreign bank accounts, just similar to Payoneer, in USD, GDP, Euro that clients can pay into. From what I hear, the setup is quite straightforward and transfers into your accounts, your Nigerian accounts, are quite quick. The pros of using Gray: multiple currency accounts, fast local withdrawals, and easy to set up. The cons: not available in all countries that your clients might be sending from, and exchange rates may vary. The second platform that people have recommended is Wise. Wise is known for their transparent fees and great exchange rates. I'll probably try it once I have a new client. And same with Gray, you can receive money directly into your Wise account and transfer it into your Nigerian Naira account. Pros: very low fees, mid-market exchange rates, and easy for international clients to use. The cons: not all countries support sending to Nigeria and it requires lots of verification and your identity and all this kind of stuff. Like I mentioned earlier, I use a mix. I'll use LemFi for quick transfers, small mid-level kind of transfer. I'll use Payoneer for regular clients with a business account, and I'll probably use direct bank transfers for really large amounts that I don't mind waiting a while to see. This way, I always have a backup if a payment method is delayed or if a client doesn't want to use a particular payment method or is finding it difficult to open an account with a platform that they don't use. So here are some tips for making transfers easier before you start working with someone. Always confirm fees before choosing a payment method. Keep a USD domiciliary account for large sum and large transaction. If you're a virtual assistant or a remote worker and you don't have a domiciliary account by now, you should do that. Have at least 2 payment options for clients so that if one is not working, you can direct them to the other or vice versa. Then 4, always test the payment method with small amounts before sending in large money. You don't want to hear stories that you spend weeks or months trying to get your money back. That's my take on the best platforms to receive money as a Nigerian in Nigeria from clients abroad. Which of these methods have you used? Have you used Gray? Have you used Wise? Let me know what's it like using them and how easy was your client able to send money. Let me know in the comment section. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you're notified anytime I post a video. Leave a comment, your likes, and share with all those that are looking for how to get their money from abroad. Just share with them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.